Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to set Screenlock on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, Screenlock allows you to control who can access your device, ensuring that only authorized users with the correct credentials can unlock the device and use its features and functions. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly open the settings app on your device. Okay, and here scroll down and select password and security option. Well, in this section you can click on lock screen password. So you will find several screen lock options. First, there is slide to unlock, where you can unlock your screen by sliding it. Okay, secondly, there is a pattern. Please create a pattern by connecting at least 4 dots and redraw the pattern, then click confirm. Okay, so the third option is numeric password. Please create a screen lock with at least a 4-digit number, then click next and confirm the password. Okay, so the fourth option is alphanumeric password. Okay, create a password combining numbers and letters with at least 4 digits. After that, click next and confirm the previous password. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to set screen lock on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.